So hello, I'm Ray. This is my vegetable garden, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe. Today we're going to show you how to prune Carnations and Dianthus. So let me show you. So these are Carnations, and similar to Dianthus, Carnations and Dianthus need pruning twice a year. Once in the summer, removing the deadheads, and then once at the end of the season, when you can remove most of the top growth, leaving the foliage at the bottom. So let me show you. At the end of the season, it can be cut back down to ground level, making sure there's still some good leaf foliage. So let me show you. So this is our flower, and we go back down to the leaf node and we cut. And we go back down to the leaf node and we cut. So we'll continue doing this. This one has got two. So we've just removed the head. And we'll just go round cutting them off down to the nearest leaf node. And this will encourage the plant to send out some more flowers. So once this is all done, and in the autumn we can just cut this all back and cut the growth down to ground level. There we go. This one has a new bud, so we'll leave these. And there we go. So thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, leave me a comment. What are you sowing for August? Let me know and I'll reply to all your comments. Really enjoy reading them. So thank you very much. Cheers.